If you do not already know the basics of zooming in, I would recommend watching my previous video. As usual, save your clips in a secure folder, then open up Premiere Pro. Make a new project. Now import your media from the file that you saved your clips on. Now once you have your clip, apply the basics which I touched on in the previous video. Now that you have the basics applied, you have some more advanced stuff that you can do. First of all, you can more accurately zoom in on the subject using the position keyframe as well. So first, go to the first keyframe you made on the scale area and start another keyframe with the position. From there, go to the last keyframe and then choose exactly where you want to zoom in on. This now covers his entire face. After exactly zooming in, you can make this zoom much smoother. First, what you want to do is highlight your keyframes, then right click, temporal interpolation, and Bezier. This will make the transition. In this area, I just want to say that you can also choose ease in instead of Bezier. It basically does the same thing. Now continuing, much smoother. If you learned something new or liked the video, please like, subscribe and share so others can see as well. Thank you for watching.